Okay, so the sun is out right now. It's like 38 degrees. It's 38 degrees, but the sun is out, so it's a good day to wash the car. So I'm gonna wash my car today, and the reason why I'm doing this video is because I want to show y'all how to clean tire letters. So my tire letters get dirty, you know, real easy. It doesn't take a lot for my tire letters to get dirty. So basically I want to show y'all how I clean my tire letters and how I get them to look brand new. Let's do it. Alright, so basically I'm all out of the products that I use to clean my white tire letters, so I'm gonna make my way to Advanced Auto Parts, pick up the product, and then head back to the house. So let's go ahead and do that. I see you now. Man, this Scat Pack hard. It's a female driving and she keep trying to get behind me. I'm trying to get her to get on the side of me so y'all can see how it look. But every time I get over, she get over. I'm gonna slow down so y'all can get a good look at it. Yeah, she hard. Ooh, that thing nice, boy. She don't want no smoke though. Alright, so it's a certain type of tire cleaner that you need for your tire letters. So I'm gonna go ahead and run in here real quick, grab what I have to grab, and I'll show y'all what I got. Let's do it. There it is. Alright, so let's head to the house and wash the car. Okay, so the first thing you need is this tire cleaner right here. This Black Magic white tire cleaner. Alright, it's specifically for white tire walls, white tire letters. That's what it's for. So this is what I recommend using. And also, make sure you have a pressure washer. It can be gas, it can be electric, it doesn't matter. Make sure you have a pressure washer so you can get that extra force behind the water to go ahead and clean the tires. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all my car. It's dirty as hell right now. I'm going to clean it first. Alright, so you can see how dirty my car is. I'm going to get close on it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show y'all my tire letters so y'all can see how dirty they are. So basically what you want to do is take your Black Magic and spray it on the tire letters. Alright, now after you spray it, you basically let it sit for a few minutes and you come back with the pressure washer and spray it off. Alright, now as you can see, it's still dirty on the E, the letter E. I got most of it up, but like the spots that's real deep, it didn't come up with the pressure washer. And now since it didn't come up, what you can do, spray it again with the spray that I told you about. And once you spray it, use a soft bristle brush to scrub it. And scrub it until it's all gone. Now make sure that you're using the soft bristle brush so you don't damage the tire letters. And you can already see, now that I scrubbed it, most of it's off. So I'm going to spray it again with my pressure washer, and then I'm going to show you the end result. Okay, now look at the tire letters. They basically look brand new. You don't see any dirt marks, nothing. Why this can be? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish washing my car. As you see, my brake caliper's dirty as hell, so I gotta clean that. I gotta clean my wheels. I'm gonna get the rest of the tire letters. I'm gonna clean the whole car, and then we can do a walk around at the end of the video. All right, so there you have it. I finished washing the car. I had to come out here so I can get some better lighting because the light was getting bad around my house. So I came out here to try to get y'all some better quality video. So in order to get y'all tire letters to look white and brand new, you have to make sure you use that Black Magic white tire spray, and make sure you have a pressure washer so that way you can try to get it clean as possible. And also it wouldn't hurt to have a soft bristle brush. So I'm gonna show y'all my tire letters right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do a small video to show y'all my tire letters, and then we can end the video like that.